Hello friends, welcome back. I am Trilochan. Let's continue with Python series. In the previous tutorial, we had discussed list comprehensions and use of it. In this tutorial, we will discuss one function which has no names, means the anonymous function, also known as Lambda functions. Okay, this is not a normal function in Python. We will discuss function later. While normal functions are defined using def keyword in Python, anonymous functions are defined using the lambda keyword. Lambda function can have any number of arguments but only one expression. The expression is evaluated and returned. The lambda function can be used wherever function objects are required. This is syntax of a lambda function. Here lambda is the keyword and arguments. We can pass the any number of arguments here and one expression. So this is a lambda syntax, lambda function syntax, right? So let's take an example of lambda function that doubles the input value. Okay, here you can take one identifier, suppose double equals to then lambda function. Here it is lambda and you can pass one argument x and here it is your expression. Okay, so this is your lambda function. Okay, let's print it. Here print double with the value of 6. So now let's see what is the result. Here it is, the 12. It means you pass the value of 6 and the lambda function returned with evaluated with x into 2, that means 12. So here x is an argument, okay, and x into 2 is expression as I said, that gets evaluated and returned the value. Okay, this function has no name. It returns a function object which is assigned to the identifier double. We can call it as a normal function now. So this is behave like a simple normal function. Okay, let's discuss one most used case of lambda function in Python. We use lambda functions when we require a nameless function for a short period of time. In Python, we generally use it as an argument to a higher order function, a function that takes in other function as a arguments. So lambda functions are used along with built-in functions like filter and map, etc. So let's discuss, let's take an example with filter. Okay, so let's take one list and we find out and evaluate the one list which is have only the even numbers. Okay, so here it is my list and let's take an example of new list where we will get all the even number. Okay, here it is new list equals to take a list of, so let's use the filter function here. Within the filter we'll define one lambda function as an argument, lambda x. So here the condition will put x modulus of 2 equals to 0. So here we can pass the value of, here we can pass the value my list. So here you can say the list is where we have, so we will get all the even number. Okay, so let's print this new list. Print new list. Okay, so here the example, let's execute this one. Here it is, the 4, 6, 8, 12. So these are the even number. You will get filter using the filter function and using the lambda function as an argument. Okay, so this is how all about the lambda function in Python. I hope you like this tutorial. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.